Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to share with you how to crochet this playing puppy. So to make this I have used single crochet stitches and made this head, body, leg and tail separately, and at the end stitched them together. So before we start to crochet this playing puppy, I would request you, if you are watching my channel first time, please subscribe to my channel so you get to know my more creation and ideas with crochet. So let's see how we are going to crochet this playing puppy. So to make this you will need any thread of your choice. Here I am going to use this black and white color thread from this brand. This is size 10, and for this thread I'm going to use crochet hook of size 2.5 mm. You will need some fiber filling, needle, stitch marker, and to make the eyes I'm going to use this googly eyes. So according to the size of this puppy face I'm going to use this eyes. So first we are going to make this body and this two front legs. So here I'm going to use this white color thread. I made 2 layers of this thread to give the thickness. Now make a ring. Here I'm going to use a magic ring. So once you have a ring, in this ring we are going to make 6 single crochet stitches. So after 6 single crochets, if you are working in this ring, just pull this loose end to close. Number 1 is done and we have 6 single crochet stitches. Now in round number 2, here we are not going to use a slip stitch, we are going to work directly on top of first stitch. So take your hook and first stitch and make 2 single crochets. Place the marker on first stitch of each round so you get to know this is the starting of your round and you can keep the track of these stitches. So after 2 single crochet, work in next stitch and top of that make 2 single crochet. So now in round number 2 we are going to repeat these stitches, work in remaining 4 stitch. In each stitch make 2 single crochet. So round number 2 is done and we have 12 single crochet stitches. Now in round number 3, top of first stitch make 1 single crochet. Then in next stitch make 2 single crochet. Then in next stitch 1 single crochet. Then on next stitch 2 single crochet. So in round number 3 we are going to repeat these stitches, make 1 single crochet, then 2, 1, 2, like this. Repeat these stitches and work till your last stitch. So round number 3 is done and we have 18 stitches. Now in round number 4, top of next 2 stitch 1 and 2, make 1 single crochet. After 2 single crochet, in next stitch make 2 single crochet. Then in next 2 stitch make 1 single crochet. Then on third stitch make 2 single crochet. So in round number 4 we are going to repeat these stitches, work in next 2 stitch, make 1 single crochet, then on 3rd stitch make 2 single crochet. Like this, repeat the stitches and work till your last stitch and complete round number 4. Round number 4 is done and we have 24 stitches. Now in round number 5, top of next 3 stitch, make 1 single crochet. After 3 single crochet, next stitch make 2 single crochet. Then in next 3 stitch make 1 single crochet. Then on 4th stitch make 2 single crochet. So in round number 5 we are going to repeat these stitches. In next 3 stitch make 1 single crochet. Then on 4th stitch make 2 single crochet. So 3 single crochet, 2 single crochet, like this. Repeat these stitches and walk till your last stitch. So round number 5 is done and we have 30 single crochet stitches. Now in round number 6, top of next 4 stitch make 1 single crochet. After 4 single crochet, on 5th stitch make 2 single crochet. Now work in next 4 stitch, make 1 single crochet, and on 5th stitch make 2 single crochet. In round number 6 we are going to repeat these stitches. Work in next 4 stitch and make 1 single crochet. Then on 5th stitch make 2 single crochet and repeat and work till your last stitch. So round number 6 is done and we have 36 single crochet stitches. Now from round number 7 to 16 we are going to make 1 single crochet in top of each stitch. So work on first stitch and make 1 single crochet, then in next 1, then in next 1. Place the marker on your first stitch. So like this, make 1 single crochet in top of each stitch and complete round number 7 to round number 16. So I have completed round number 16 and we get this shape. Now in round number 17 we are going to decrease the single crochet stitches. So in next 4 stitch make 1 single crochet. So after 4 single crochet, now we are going to decrease 1 single crochet. So we are going to work in next 2 stitch. So take the front loop of first single crochet, then take the front loop of next single crochet. Now you will have 3 loop on your hook. Now grab the thread, pull from first 2 and grab the thread, pull from next 2. So like this we have decreased 1 single crochet here, and we are going to work the decrease like this in our coming rounds also. Now again in next 4 stitch make 1 single crochet. After 4 single crochet in next 2 stitch we are going to make 1 decrease. So work in front loop of next 2 stitch, grab and pull the thread, then from next 2. So in round number 17 we are going to repeat this stitches. Make 1 single crochet in next 4 stitch, then make 1 decrease, then 4 single crochet, 1 decrease. Like this repeat these stitches and work till your last stitch. Number 17 is done and we have 30 single crochet stitches. Now from round number 18 to 21 we are going to make 1 single crochet top of each stitch. So 1 single crochet, then 1, and 1. So like this we are going to make one single crochet in top of each stitch and complete round number 18, 19, 20 and 21. So I've done with round number 21 and we have 30 stitches. Now in round number 22, in next 3 stitch make one single crochet. After 3 single crochet, now we are going to decrease 1 single crochet. So 3 single crochet, 1 decrease. Now in next 3 stitch make one single crochet, then in next 2 stitch make 1 decrease. In round number 22 we are going to repeat these stitches. In next 3 stitch make one single crochet, then in next 2 stitch make 1 decrease. So 3 single crochet, 1 decrease, 3 single crochet and 1 decrease. Like that repeat these stitches and work till your last stitch. Round number 22 is done and we have 24 single crochet stitches. Now from round number 23 to 28 we are going to make one single crochet in top of each stitch. So like this make one single crochet in each stitch and complete round number 23 to 28. So I've done with round number 28. Now at this point we are going to fill this gap with the fiber. Now in round number 29 in next 10 stitches make one single crochet. So after 10 single crochet, now we are going to divide this work in 2 parts to make the front legs. So in next 2 stitches we are going to work by taking this stitch from this side also. So work in first stitch of front side and take the next stitch of this side. So one stitch from this side and one stitch from this side, and here we are going to make one single crochet, then work in next stitch here and take the next stitch of this side and make one single crochet. So 2. Now you can see we have divided this work in 2 parts. This is going to front legs of the puppy. So we are going to make the first leg and you just need to repeat the stitches and make the second leg. So I'm going to show you how to make this front leg. Now we are going to start our first leg. So this is our first stitch of this side. So top of that take your hook here, make one single crochet, then in next 1. So like this we are going to make one single crochet in next 8 stitch. So at the end you will have total 10 single crochets in one leg. So 10 single crochet stitches in round number 1. Again in next 10 stitches make one single crochet, So round number 1 is done and we have 10 single crochets. So like this, repeat this stitches, make one single crochet in next 10 stitches and complete round number 2 to round number 8. So I will finish my all round. So I made total 8 round, and you can see we get this first front leg. Now just fill this gap with the fiber. In round number 9, next stitch, make one single crochet, then we are going to decrease one single crochet. So work in front loop of next 2 single crochet stitches. So one decrease, place the marker on your first stitch. So like this, we have made one single crochet, then one decrease, repeat 2 more times, make one single crochet, then one decrease. Now we have only left one stitch, so top of that make one single crochet. So we have total 7 single crochet stitches. Now take a hook in first stitch of this side and the next stitch of this side and make one single crochet. Then in next 2, then in next, so total 3 single crochet stitches. Now make chain 1, pull and cut the thread with some margin, and we are going to secure this thread. So we made the first front leg. Now take your hook on very first stitch of this side and attach the thread. Chain 1. Now in next 10 stitches make one single crochet. Now you just need to repeat these stitches how we made this first front leg from round number 1 to round number 9, and make one single crochet in top of each stitch until you reach to the round number 8. Then on round number 9 make one single crochet, one decrease, total 3 times, and on your last stitch make one single crochet. So at the end you will have 7 single crochet. So I will finish this round. So I'm done with the front leg. Now we are going to make this back legs. So take your black colored thread and make a ring, and in that ring we are going to make 6 single crochets. So round 1 is done and we have 6 single crochet stitches. Now in round number 2, in next 2 stitch make one single crochet. After 2 single crochet, in next stitch make 2 single crochets. Now repeat this stitch one more time. In next 2 stitch make one single crochet, then on third stitch make 2 single crochet. So round number 2 is done and we have 8 stitches. Now in round number 3, top of first stitch make 1 single crochet, then on next 2 single crochet. So like this, repeat these stitches. In next stitch make 1 single crochet, then 2 single crochet and work till your last stitch. So when you work on your last single crochet stitch of round number 3, keep this 2 loop in your hook, and now we are going to attach the white color thread. Grab and pull from this 2 loop. Now pull this black color thread and cut with some margin. Now in round number 4, top of each stitch we are going to make one single crochet. So 1, 2, 3. So like this, make one single crochet in top of each stitch and complete round number 4. So round number 4 is done. Now we are going to repeat this stitches. Top of each stitch we are going to make one single crochet. So on first stitch 1 single crochet, then on second 2, place the marker here. So like this, make one single crochet in top of each stitch and complete round number 5 to 10. So I've done with round number 10. Now fill this gap with the fiber and pull and cut this thread with some margin. So our first back leg is done. Now just repeat these stitches from round number 1 to round number 10 and make one more leg. Now we are going to crochet the head. So round number 6 is done and we have 36 single crochet stitches. Now in round number 7, in next 5 stitch make one single crochet. After 5 single crochet, next stitch make 2 single crochet. So in round number 7 we are going to repeat these stitches. In next 5 stitch make one single crochet, then on 6th stitch make 2 single crochet. So 5 single crochet, 2 single crochet, like this. Repeat these stitches and work till your last stitch and complete round number 7. So round number 7 is done and we have 42 single crochet stitches. Now from round number 8 to 14 we are going to work one single crochet in top of each stitch. So make 1 single crochet in first stitch, then in next 1, then in next 1, so like this, make one single crochet in top of each stitch and complete round number 8 to round number 14. I have completed my round number 14 and we get this shape. Now from round number 15 we are going to decrease the single crochet stitches. So first in next 5 stitch make one single crochet. After 5 single crochet, now in next 2 stitch we are going to make one decrease to take the front loop of next 2 single crochet. Grab and pull the thread from first 2 loop, then next 2 loops. So like this we made one decrease and we are going to make the decreases like this in our coming stitches. So 5 single crochet, 1 decrease. Now again in next 5 stitch make 1 single crochet, and then in next 2 stitch make 1 decrease. So like this we are going to repeat this stitches. In next 5 stitch make 1 single crochet, then in next 2 stitch make 1 decrease, and repeat and work till your last stitch. And so round number 15 is done, and we have 36 single crochet stitches. Now in round number 16, in next 4 stitch make 1 single crochet, after 4 single crochet in next 2 stitch make 1 decrease, then in next 4 stitch make 1 single crochet, then in next 2 stitch make 1 decrease, so like this repeat these stitches. In next 4 stitch make 1 single crochet, then 1 decrease, then 4 single crochet, 1 decrease. Like this repeat these stitches and work till your last stitch. So round number 16 is done, and we have 30 single crochet stitches. Now in round number 17, in next 3 stitch make 1 single crochet, after 3 single crochet in next 2 stitch make 1 decrease, then in next 3 stitch make 1 single crochet, and in next 2 stitch make 1 decrease, so like this we are going to repeat these stitches. In next 3 stitch make 1 single crochet, then 1 decrease, then 3 single crochet, 1 decrease. Like this repeat these stitches and work till your last stitch. Round number 17 is done, and we have 24 stitches. Now in round number 18, in next 2 stitch make 1 single crochet, after 2 single crochet next 2 stitch make 1 decrease, then in next 2 stitch make 1 single crochet, then in next 2 stitch make 1 decrease, so like this we are going to repeat these stitches. In next 2 stitch make 1 single crochet, then 1 decrease, 1 single crochet next 2 stitch, then 1 decrease, and work till your last stitch. And so round number 18 is done, and now we have 18 single crochet stitches. Now in round number 19 we are going to make 1 single crochet in each stitch, so like this make 1 single crochet in top of each stitch and complete round number 19. So round number 19 is done. Now just fill this gap with the fiber. Now in round number 20 we are going to decrease 2 single crochet stitches. So to decrease 2 single crochet, what you have to do, take the front loop of next 3 stitches, so 1, 2 and 3. Now you will have 4 loops on your hook. Now grab the thread, pull from first 3 loop. Now you will have 2 loops. Now grab and pull from this 2. So we have decreased 2 single crochet here. Now work in next 16 single crochet stitches, and top of that make 1 single crochet, So round number 20 is done and we have 16 single crochet stitches. Now in round number 21 again we are going to decrease 2 single crochets. So take the front loop of next 3, grab and pull from first 3 loop, then next 2 loop, so 1 decrease, then work in next 13 stitches and make 1 single crochet. Round number 21 is done and we have 14 single crochet stitches. Now in round number 22 decrease 2 single crochet, after 1 decrease, now work in next 11 stitches and make 1 single crochet. Again fill this gap with the fiber. So round number 22 is done and we have 12 stitches. Now in round number 23 decrease 2 single crochet, after 1 decrease, now work in next 6 stitches and make 1 single crochet. So now we have 7 stitches. Just leave this stitches and pull this thread and cut with some margin. Again, if required, fill this gap with the fiber. Now we are going to close this gap. So what you have to do, take this thread and a needle. Now take the front loop of next 3 stitch like this. Now pull this needle and thread, then work in next 3 stitch, take the front loop, pull this thread and close, then work in next 3 stitch, so like this we have closed this gap. Now secure this thread. So this is done and we have made the face of the puppy. Now we are going to make this ears. So take your white color thread and make chain 9. After chain 9, now skip first chain and work in next 8 chain stitches and make 1 single crochet. So round 1 is done and we have 8 single crochet stitches. Now in round number 2 make chain 1, turn your work. Now skip this turning chain, work in next 8 stitches and make 1 single crochet. So round 2 is done. Now we have 8 stitches. Now in round number 3 chain 1, turn your work, skip turning chain. In first stitch make 2 single crochet, then in next 6 stitches make 1 single crochet. And on your last stitch make 2 single crochet. So now we have 10 single crochet stitches and round number 3 is done. Now from round number 4 to 8 we are going to make 1 single crochet top of each stitch. So make chain 1, turn your work, skip turning chain, work in next 10 stitches and make 1 single crochet. So like this complete round number 4 to round number 8. So 8th row, when you work on your last single crochet of round number 8, keep this 2 loop in your hook. Now here we are going to change the color to black color. So take the black color thread and attach. And just pull this thread and cut some margin. Now make chain 1, turn your work. Now in round number 9 we are going to decrease these stitches. So skip this turning chain and first single crochet. Now work in next single crochet. Keep this thread on above your hook like this. So 1 single crochet. Now work in next 8 stitches and make 1 single crochet. Now we have 9 stitches. Now in round number 10 make chain 1, turn your work. Now skip this turning chain and first single crochet, then work in next second single crochet from your hook and make 1 single crochet, 1, then work in next 7 stitches and make 1 single crochet. So round number 10 is done and we have 8 stitches. Now in round number 11 chain 1, turn your work, skip turning chain and first single crochet, work in next single crochet, 1 single crochet on that, then in next 6 stitches make 1 single crochet. So round number 11 is done and we have total 7 stitches. Now make chain 1, turn your work, skip turning chain and first single crochet, top of second single crochet, make 1 stitch, 1 single crochet, then work next 5 stitch and make 1 single crochet. Number 12 is done and we have 6 stitches. Now we chain 1, turn your work. Now in round number 13 skip turning chain and first single crochet, then work on second single crochet and make 1 stitch, then work in next 4 stitches and make 1 single crochet. We have 5 stitches and round number 13 is done. Now in round number 14 make chain 1, turn your work, skip turning chain and first single crochet, work in next single crochet and make 1 single crochet stitch, then work in next 3 stitches and make 1 single crochet. So now we have 4 single crochet stitches and round number 14 is done. Now in our last round make chain 1, skip chain 1 and first single crochet. Now work in next 3 single crochets, grab and pull, grab and pull. Now grab the thread and pull from all 4 loops like this. Now make chain 1, pull this thread and cut with some margin. Like this we have made 1 ear. Now you just need to repeat these stitches from round number 1 to round number 15 and make 1 more ear. So like this you will need 2 ears. Now we are going to make this tails. So once you done with all the parts like head, body, tail, ears and back leg, now just arrange them like this. So place this back legs. Now at back side count 1 2 3 4 and 5th row. On 5th row stitch this back leg, and on 1 2 3 4 5 and 6th row attach this tail, and I'm going to stitch this tail here. Now just place this head in between this 2 leg like this, and I'm going to stitch this head to this body. And once you stitch this head, now stitch the ears to the head. Once you stitch all the part, now we are going to place this eye and just do the embroidery to make this nose, eyebrows and this front leg paw. So I will stitch all these parts. So this is done. I stitched all the body parts and did embroidery on the nose and front leg. So I hope you have learned from this video. If you have any questions or query, please do let me know on my comment section. So see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.